What sinks and what floats? Let's discover.
Drop it in the water, watch it go. Does it sink down low or float up so? A little duck goes bobbing by, floating happy way up high. Sink or float, let's find out. That's what science is about. Heavy things go down below, light things float, watch them go. A rock goes down heavy and slow, sinking gently down we go. A leaf floats light upon the top, let's find out. Drifting gently, never stop. Sink or float, let's find out. That's what science is about. Heavy things go down below, light things float, watch them go. Let's find out what. A coin sinks fast, so shiny bright. A sponge floats up, soft and light. An apple floats, oh what a surprise. Science shows us with our eyes. Sink or float, now we know. Heavy sinks and light will float. Testing things is so much fun. Science learning, we're not done. Let's find out. Clap your hands, give a cheer. Sink or float, we love it here.